In 2020, Scotland made history by launching the world's first self-driving bus, the Autonom Shuttle. This revolutionary bus is equipped with all kinds of high-tech features that allow it to navigate the streets and carry passengers safely and comfortably. Today, we're going to dive into the details and explore why the Autonom Shuttle is such an exciting development in the world of public transport. The Autonom Shuttle is a fully electric, self-driving bus that can carry up to 15 passengers. It's equipped with advanced safety features, such as collision avoidance systems and emergency braking, that help ensure the safety of passengers and other road users. The bus is also designed to be accessible for people with disabilities, with a ramp for wheelchair users and space for guide dogs. One of the biggest advantages of the Autonom Shuttle is that it can operate without a driver, which could lead to significant cost savings for public transport operators. It's also environmentally friendly, producing zero emissions, and has the potential to reduce congestion on our roads. Passengers have reported that the ride is smooth, comfortable, and stress-free. Plus, with its compact size and ability to maneuver in tight spaces, the Autonom Shuttle could help solve the problem of last-mile transport. Self-driving buses like the Autonom Shuttle have the potential to revolutionize public transport. Imagine hopping on a bus and not having to worry about a driver, traffic, or accidents. Self-driving buses could provide a safer, more efficient, and more reliable way to get around. Plus, they could help reduce congestion and emissions on our roads. Overall, the Autonom Shuttle is an exciting development in the world of public transport. It represents a significant step towards the development of autonomous vehicles and could lead to a more efficient, reliable, and sustainable transport system. With its advanced features and many advantages, the Autonom Shuttle is truly a game-changer in the world of public transport. What do you think about the Autonom Shuttle? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more fascinating content like this. Thanks for watching.